Okay, so we'll go ahead and quickly add images for the demo purpose. Now slide number 2. We'll also select images from different sources over here. So as you can see, it's very easy to create these slides. You can add images, you can add emojis as well. Go to slide number 5 now. Slide 5, or any text you want to add. Right, once you're satisfied, you can just go ahead and click on the next button, and you will be taken to a practice and record section where you will actually practice and record your video. Alright, so first of all, so there are a couple of things that you need to know over here, such as we have 3 types of modes to create a presentation. The first one is only the face mode. If you want to start your video, you can start with this one. Then if you want to show slide material on the right hand side or on the left hand side, depending on the template, you can start with that too. Then you can zoom in the specific images on a particular slide so that you can explain important points in more detail. You can zoom out and show them both as well. Now if you have multiple cameras, then they will be shown over here. Just select the appropriate one, and then there is a mirror mode available as well. So for the templates with right hand side visual cues, you can use this, or for the left hand side you can use this one as well. Okay, then you just need to start recording from over here. Before that, we have a slider that works with the arrows, so you can easily toggle between the slides. Okay, so let's go ahead and start slide number 1. Now as you can see, the recording has started already. Now you need to explain about the slide number 1. Hey, hi, this is slide number 1, and this slide number 2. Explain about the slide number 2 points. You can zoom in if you like. You can explain about more important details, then zoom out, then go to next slide again, and like that you can go ahead and complete the whole presentations. Okay, once you are done, you just need to click on done recording button. Now you get 2 options. First one is record again. Then you can also select to trim the video. So no one is perfect, right? So whenever you are recording a video, you always get and all those things, all those stops. You can just remove the stops from over here. Okay, once you are satisfied, you can just go ahead and save this video, and you will be done. Once your video is ready, you will get an option to download, or you will get a direct copy link, or you can also embed this video directly. The video will load from our server. Okay, and you also get an option to record the video again if you are not satisfied at all, or you can directly share on social media from over here. So just in 3 steps. The first one is choose a template, then you can add content, then you can practice and record to create your awesome video presentations. Similarly, we have tons of done for you campaigns for local niche, like over here. As you can see, we have like childcare, dog training, locksmith, ice cream, gym, dance school, event management. We have already created all the slides material in here. So you just need to select your done for you campaign. You just need to preview that, and or directly you can use it and create your video presentation, saving you tons of time. As you can see, we have tons of done for you material over here. So you don't need to create your campaign from scratch. You just go ahead and select appropriate one and get started. Right. Similarly, we have PPT presentations over here as well for different niche. Okay, you can use those directly for creating your normal PPT presentations. VidPresent is currently on a big launch discount, so act now and I will see you on the inside. Thank you.